go inside of that yellow tab for me. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Can't see much there. But here we are.
Perfect. All right, anything that's flashing, go ahead and press it.
Whoa! We're moving now.
Hit your flashing buttons.
Hit your flashing buttons.
You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Ow.
We're gonna kill everybody. Don't crash! Come on!
Train. Yes, keep shooting. They're not on to us. Take evasive action.
Keep going.
How do you go up?
Ah, there it is.
I'm doing up and down.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has rotated, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
I have up. You got to get in the hole.
Pilots,
In the lit holes. There you go.
Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the world. Punch. Oh, that's We've got to get out of here. Distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost.
Flashing button.
We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve our container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
What was your score?
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for light holes. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a space machine or two. All right, I am making an executive decision.